Hello, I'm Dale Smith from Edwards Garage, and today I'd like to show you a 2013 Jeep Cherokee we have. It's equipped with a 6.4 liter or 392 cubic inch engine, creates 470 horsepower and 465 foot-pounds of torque. This Jeep SRT 8 is equipped with a high-end radio which features a navigation system which can be utilized in both 2D mode or 3D mode. It has hands-free Bluetooth calling, AM/FM radio, CD player, and is also Sirius XM ready. Up front on the dash, we have an automatic climate control, which is dual zone, so you can set the temperature for passenger and driver's side independently of each other. It has heated and cooled seats, has a heated steering wheel, 110 plug, park assist, and traction control buttons, all easy to get at, right at your fingertips. In the driver's cockpit, we have large, high visibility gauges. We have paddle shifters if you want to put it into sport mode and change your transmission gears as you go. We have a leather wrapped steering wheel with the SRT logo embedded into it. Carbon fiber trim all the way around. Nice leather dash with beautiful stitching. And a sunroof with panoramic view. This Jeep SRT 8 is equipped with bucket seats up front that are very comfortable. Room for 3 in the back, and large storage compartment at the far rear. I'm Dale Smith, and if you'd like to arrange a test drive, give me a call at Edwards Garage, 403-845-3328.